I gave the same challenge to ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Build me a complete professional website in under 30 minutes. The results? Absolutely shocking. One AI completely dominated, one failed miserably, and one surprised me in ways I never expected. Stick around because I'm revealing the exact prompts, the real websites they built, and which AI you should actually be using in 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I test AI tools so you don't have to waste your time or money. Today's battle is massive. Here's the challenge. I'm asking each AI to build a complete portfolio website for a freelance graphic designer. And I'm not talking about basic HTML. I want a modern, responsive design, working contact form, image gallery, mobile-friendly layout, and it needs to actually look professional. I'm using the exact same prompt for all three AIs, testing them on February 3rd, 2026, and I'm timing everything. No favoritism here. The AIs we're testing: ChatGPT 4, OpenAI's flagship, Claude Sonnet 4, Anthropic's latest, and Gemini Advanced, Google's powerhouse. Let's see who wins. Give prompt: create a complete modern portfolio website for a freelance graphic designer named Sarah Chen. Include a hero section with call to action, about section, portfolio gallery with 6 project placeholders, services section, testimonials, and contact form. Use modern design with a purple and white color scheme. Make it fully responsive. Provide complete HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code ready to deploy. Simple, clear, and identical for all three. Let's go. ChatGPT 4, I'm pasting the prompt, and go. ChatGPT immediately starts building. I like that it's explaining what it's doing. It's creating the HTML structure first, then CSS, then adding JavaScript for interactivity. Time check. 2 minutes in and it's giving me the complete HTML file. The code looks clean, well commented, and organized. Now let's deploy this and see what we actually got. Okay, first impressions. The design is clean and modern. Color scheme is perfect. Purple and white as requested. The layout is professional. But I'm noticing the contact form doesn't actually work, it's just front end. The gallery images are just placeholders, which I expected. Mobile responsive works perfectly. Let me test the navigation. Smooth scrolling works great. Total time: 8 minutes from prompt to deployed website. ChatGPT score so far: design quality 8 out of 10, code quality 9 out of 10, functionality 7 out of 10, speed 9 out of 10. Solid start. But let's see if the others can beat it. Next, Claude Sonnet 4. Same exact prompt. Let's see what Anthropic's AI can do. Interesting. Claude is taking a different approach. It's asking me if I wanted to create this as separate files or a single HTML file. I'll say single file to match ChatGPT. Whoa, Claude is generating code fast. And look at this. It's actually explaining design decisions as it builds. It's telling me why it chose certain layouts and CSS techniques. Time check: 3 minutes and we have complete code. That's faster than ChatGPT. Deploying now. Okay, this is impressive. The design is gorgeous, more modern than ChatGPT's. I'm seeing smooth animations and transitions ChatGPT didn't include. The typography choices are better, more professional. Color palette is on point. Contact form is also non-functional, just like ChatGPT. But Claude added hover effects on the portfolio items. The mobile version actually looks better than desktop somehow. Let me check the code quality. The CSS is using modern techniques. CSS grid, flexbox, custom properties. This is really well structured. Total time: 6 minutes from prompt to deployed website. Claude score: design quality 9.5 out of 10, code quality 9.5 out of 10, functionality 7 out of 10, speed 10 out of 10. Claude is winning so far. But we still have Gemini. Finally, Gemini Advanced. Google's been hyping this up, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. Same prompt. Pasting now. Gemini is doing something different. Instead of just giving me code, it's giving me options. It's asking if I want to use a framework like React or pure HTML, CSS, JS, or if I wanted to use Tailwind CSS. For fair comparison, I'll choose pure HTML, CSS, JS like the others. Interesting. Gemini is generating code in chunks and explaining each section in detail. It's more educational but taking longer. Time check, 5 minutes, and wait. It stopped mid-code and is asking if I wanted to continue. That's annoying for our workflow. Okay, 9 minutes total and we have complete code. Slower than both competitors. Let's deploy and see what we got. First look, design is modern and clean. Color scheme is close but not exactly purple and white. It's using some blue tones. Layout is professional. The hero section text is generic, not customized for Sarah Chen. Portfolio gallery has nice grid layout. Mobile responsive has issues. Text is overlapping on my iPhone test. Contact form is non-functional like the others. Checking code quality? The code is good, but it's overly complicated in some areas. Gemini used more JavaScript than necessary for simple animations. Total time: 11 minutes from prompt to deployed website. Gemini score: design quality 7.5 out of 10. Code quality 8 out of 10. Functionality 6.5 out of 10. Speed 7 out of 10. Gemini fell behind. The interactive questions slowed it down, and the output wasn't as polished. Alright, let's put all three websites side by side and see the real differences. Design. Claude wins here, the most modern, polished look. ChatGPT is close second. Gemini feels slightly dated. Speed. Claude crushed it at 6 minutes. ChatGPT 8 minutes. Gemini 11 minutes. Code quality. Claude and ChatGPT are tied. Both produced clean, well-structured code. Gemini was overcomplicated. Accuracy to prompt. ChatGPT and Claude both nailed the requirements. Gemini deviated on colors and personalization. Mobile responsiveness. Claude is perfect. ChatGPT is good. Gemini has bugs. Here's the thing nobody talks about. I also tested how easy it was to ask for changes. I asked each AI, make the hero section text bigger and add a download resume button. ChatGPT made the changes in 30 seconds. Claude made the changes in 20 seconds with better button design. Gemini asked clarifying questions first, then made changes in 1 minute. Claude is not just faster, it understands what you want better. So here's the verdict. Winner. Claude Sonnet 4. Fastest generation time, best design output, cleanest code and best at understanding follow-up requests. Second place, ChatGPT 4. Solid all-around performance, great code quality, reliable but not as impressive as Claude. Third place, Gemini Advanced. Too slow for practical use, overcomplicates simple tasks, and mobile bugs are deal breakers. But here's the real insight. For web development specifically, Claude is the clear winner in 2026. But, and this is important, ChatGPT is better for complex problem solving, data analysis, and multi-step reasoning tasks. And Gemini? Honestly, save your money unless you're deep in the Google ecosystem. My recommendation? If you're building websites, apps, or doing front-end work, use Claude. If you're doing research, analysis, or need general AI assistance, use ChatGPT. Want to try this yourself? I've put the exact prompt in the description below. Test it and let me know your results in the comments. And here's a pro tip. You can actually use Claude to generate the code, then ask ChatGPT to review and optimize it. That combo is unstoppable. If this video saved you hours of testing, smash that like button. I test AI tools every week so you don't waste time on the wrong ones. Next video, I'm testing these same AIs for creating mobile apps. Which one do you think will win? Drop your prediction in the comments. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And I'll see you in the next one. Keep building with AI.